If your Snapchat account has been permanently locked and you want to try unlocking it, here's what you can do. First, you'll need to launch any of your web browser, then type in Snapchat account locked, then go to the official Snapchat support page titled My Snapchat account is locked. Here you'll find information explaining whether your account is temporarily or permanently locked. If it's only temporarily locked, it's often because of using unauthorized third-party apps or plugins, and in that case, just wait 48 hours before trying to log in again. Make sure to remove any third-party apps and verify your phone number or email for security. If your account appears to be permanently locked, scroll down to the option where you can contact Snapchat support. Click on the option Who can unlock my account? Then click on this link. You'll be directed to this page. Now provide your credentials and try logging into your account. Or else what you can do is click on the option Appeal. You can contact Snapchat support, enter your username, email and phone number, describe what happened and request help to unlock the account. Snapchat usually replies within 24 to 48 hours. Hopefully this helps you recover your account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.